All right. Hi guys. First thing first, you have to decide which all exam to give. ठीक है. MBA का preparation I would divide into two phases. One, there are few exams where admission everything happened by March. Fine. Jan में result आता है. By the month of Jan, you will have your results. I'll just increase my volume as well. Okay. Can you hear me now? All right. So exams happen in December, Jan, Feb, and by the March, you have your results up. So this is your phase one of MBA preparation. By March, you are done with your admission. You're done with everything. Second type of exams are where your results, everything is delayed till June, July, August. Okay, June, July, and August. So here we have CAT, SNAP, NMAT, ZAT. All these exams are in phase one. जो मार्च तक सारा खत्म हो गया. So those who have become serious today, for example, आज आप अपना तैयारी शुरू करते हो, you are eligible for admission March. Otherwise, we have phase two, which is CET, CMAT, TIS. All these exams will happen thoda late, and then admission will happen by June, July, August. Okay. So ideally, what we can do is we can pick up a couple of exams here, like I can give CAT, I can give SNAP and MAT, and then a couple of exams from here, CET, CMAT. So you have to decide whether you want to play in phase one, you want to play in phase two, or you want to play in both the phases. आप कौन से एग्जाम का तैयारी कर रहे हो? एक एग्जाम के तो बात ही मत करो. That I only want to focus on CAT, I won't recommend that. Only want to focus on CET, I don't want to recommend that. So we have to prepare for multiple exams. So ideal strategy, for example, अगर आपने CAT नहीं देना, तो the ideal strategy can be 2 exams from here, SNAP and MAT, and 2 exams from here, CET, CMAT. Okay. What is your target? What exam is going to be your target? So you can tell me, Omkar, Tripti, what is going to be your target? CAT, अभी भी CAT को फॉर्म भरने का 2 दिन बाकी है, in case you want to apply that. So Omkar want to go for NMAT as well. ठीक है. Phase 2 with NMAT, superb. So basically phase 1 and 2 combined ना. तो आप पहले NMAT दोगे. NMAT will normally, if you're going to give NMAT twice, so एक CAT से पहले, एक CAT के बाद. Otherwise, SNAP and MAT we can give for December. December में हम ये दे देंगे. Then I'll focus on other exam. So Sheetal, you're going to go for all the exams. Superb. So अब CAT से लेके CET तक, CAT, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, CET, all 5 of them you are going to take. ठीक है, no problem. So you have to finalize that because your preparation is going to change going to that. ठीक है, CAT and ZAT का level is very high. Apart from these 2 exams, every exam का syllabus is almost same. TIS and CMAT will include GK as well. Apart from that, everything else is same for everyone. Fine. So you have to decide. So what I normally recommend, those start early. कि आप phase 1 and phase 2 दोनों में focus करो ना. अगर phase 1 में एक अच्छा कॉलेज मिल गया, very good. नहीं मिला तो phase 2 है ही हमारे पास. Alright, तो आपको 3-4 एग्जाम ट्राई करना है, फोकस करने का. I don't believe in 1 or 2 exam. You have to prepare for 3-4 exams. Okay.